thinking. 120 sound right? 120. I think so. We've got a red one which is not being used, which is good, and a black and a white one which we need. Yeah, I have it on the other side actually.
Okay.
And some of these have two on them. Because I have so many multiple things here. Where is the other one? Let's see. Here's it. I don't even have it. Now, that's fine, I think. And they don't get too wobbly with it.
Just dump that over.
What are you doing over here?
I got one shot at is to cross thread it, and you're fucked. Maybe I should just. Would it work if I just hung it around the thing like this? Around the bracket? Maybe. And the problem is, I'll have to do it after because we got all the wires in the way. Do it last, I think. Okay, green goes with this one over here. Red goes with this one. Except for one thing. I need to straighten this wire out there. You get the right side. Okay. Black to black. So we're back doing this. Okay. I don't know. Guess it's okay. Yes, it looks like it's all the way in, I think. Just try one more time here. Yeah, it seems good. You know, it's got to tape those ones up. And I got to add this to the other side there. These ones. Somehow. I might have to get a bigger wire nut. Because now we're joining three together. Oh, those can go together. Like that too much at all. Straighten it out again, try it again. Well, that and there's the solid one in there with that mix too. Now you have to go to a bigger one if this doesn't work. Like that too much there. You don't seem to be going anywhere, so I guess we can. Okay. Tuck it in there. Out of my way. Bzzz. Oh, electrocuted. Oh, you know what? Put the tape on still. Jeez. Gotta tape it up. That's one. Another red one, and then the ground one. Ugh. I'm trimming this one. Shorter one. I don't want to read in here. Okay, right there. Uh-oh. What happened?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh's not good.
Yeah, it came out. So what I'm going to do is get a bigger one. My back. Oh. Good evening, eh? You got the right hole? I hope so.